Have Sunday lunch with us at one of our favorite Italian restaurants in the South, Villa Parmigiano. So sa may daang hari lang to, malapit sa Alabang West Parade. Meron ka ring close-up view on how they make their pizza. As always, thank you to my wife for the support. Ayan, so let's go through what we had. Yung ensalata di burrata salad, and then the mortadella cream cheese pizza. Thank you, Sir Dennis, sa pag-entertain sa amin. You also had their meatball pasta and yung roast chicken. So ito yung nilook forward namin parate, yung paggawa ng rigatoni. So here are some shots of me enjoying their food. Ang sarap talaga, guys, lahat. Promise. Meron silang promo, tiramisu scoop all you can, all 3 flavors. So how did I do? Okay ba? So pasyal na sa Villa Parmigiano for great Italian food.